What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are staying green. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to make it short and simple. I'm going to show you guys how to create an alert on TD Ameritrade. Just to give your phone a notification that the price of your specific company has reached a certain level. This does not execute an order. I'm going to go ahead and click on a random company we like, right? I'm just going to go ahead and click on my first one. Right ahead, boom, we're already on the page. Shows the chart. Shows the levels. Up here, as you guys see on the right hand side, there's like this little plus bell. Go ahead and click on this bell, and as you guys see here, it's going to give you guys some options. It's going to tell you guys, would you like to create an alert trigger on what price range? I want to put it on specifically, let's go ahead and change that. I think there's a positive support right at 45 cents. Okay, so if I'm going to say there's a support at 45 cents, if it does so happen to reach that level, I want to buy in, but I don't want to create an order there. I just want to create an alert. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to 45 cents. We're all good to go there. Exchange, yeah, leave that on that. These are kind of specific settings, so don't worry about that. Just go ahead and click on alert, create an alert. Boom, your alert has been created. So now whenever this stock reaches that specific price, I will get an alert on my phone. We are all good to go there. If you guys do have any other questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to help. I hope you guys stay green. Peace out.